What's good, everybody? In today's video we're going to take a look at what my morning looks like, and that includes a coffee drink with a perfect mix of my protein. This is the Diesel protein, 24 grams per scoop, and this is the Nescafe Gold salted caramel. She can also get the French vanilla instant mix sweet and creamy Nescafe coffee. Now, of course, you can also get the Nescafe iced originals, which is the same thing, slightly different flavor, just as good, but it does not require hot water. So stay tuned for the whole video. What's good, everybody? So we decided to try yet another iced latte. This time it's the Nescafe Gold salted caramel, and we do love our iced coffee. Now, the great thing about this one is you do not need boiling water to have it dissolve absolutely fantastically. This is a salted caramel, so if you like that little bit of an oomph and a not so sweet beverage, and this is probably something you're looking for, we're going to take one sachet, dump it into our mixer. I highly recommend getting a portable mixer like this. It's charged by USB-C. You put 200 ml of water. Now, I don't recommend putting milk in here, but this is so well designed, or however it's made, that you don't even need milk. Let's take a look at the nutrition information on here. So for each one, there's 50 calories, 0.4 grams of saturated fat, and there's trans fats, carbs 11 gram, not too bad. Sugars is actually really good, 9 gram. You don't want a lot in the morning, especially if you're into fitness. Sodium still pretty low. Potassium, calcium, and iron. Ingredients: sugars, so that's the number one ingredients. Milk ingredients: instant coffee, palm oil, salt, phosphate, blah blah. Don't want to worry about that too much. That's all the flavoring. All right, let's open this up. So it's a very easy paper sachet. It tears very easily, and we just pour that in. We're gonna blend for about 20 seconds, and then we're gonna throw in some ice. Oh, I can already see salt on here. All right, I'm just gonna taste it before I try it with the ice. You definitely taste the salt, definitely. All right, so now we're gonna take some ice, drop it in, and again, you can just go and continue blending it. Ooh, I hate making a mess. You can continue blending it. Definitely much better. So if you're not into the super sweet drinks, I definitely recommend getting yourself like this Nescafe salted caramel flavor. I always like to throw in a little bit of protein in here, so I'm using the Diesel Chocolate Obsession 24 gram protein, and I'm going to put a scoop of this into my morning coffee. That is my routine, that with the banana. So this one does not have that super chemical taste that you get from some of the other proteins out there. This is a New Zealand whey protein. It's a little cleaner. It's got 1.5 grams of sugar. I'm going to show you the nutritional information on that one. Per one scoop, you get 130 calories, 2 are from fat, 4 are carbs, 24 grams of protein, sodium is only 32, and then you get your potassium and calcium. Ingredients: New Zealand whey protein, concentrate, cocoa natural, and artificial flavor. We've also tried the ice cream flavor, and we've tried the vanilla flavor. So they're all very tasty. They don't have that chemical aftertaste. So that's what makes them great for a morning shake with your coffee. So thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.